All right, we're about to begin now. So, for the last how many days, we'll be talking about support and resistance and trend. So far, those are the things we've talked about. So, today's class is going to be about confirmation patterns to use support and resistance along with the trend line. So, that is what today's class is going to be about confirmation patterns to use support and resistance. So there are different type of confirmation patterns I use, but the major candlestick confirmation patterns I use are: we have what is known as the bullish engulfing confirmation. As the name sounds, it is a bullish candlestick engulfing a bearish candle. You get that is why it is called bullish engulfing. And we have what is known as bearish engulfing. So this is how a bullish engulfing looks like. The green candle engulfing the red candle. While for the bearish engulfing, this is how the bearish engulfing looks like. This is how the bearish engulfing looks like. It is the red candle engulfing the green candle. Let's say whenever price get to your entry, and you also need confirmation so that you can use you are fully certain that okay, price is going to go to the direction I want price to. So these are what confirmation are. Confirmations are like certainty whenever price gets to your entry. That's what we call it, entry. So whenever price gets to your entry, you need confirmations to be fully confident in, yes, I can enter this trade now. So this is known as the engulfing pattern. This is known as the engulfing pattern. So this is a bullish engulfing. The other is a bearish engulfing. Let me put them like this. This is a bullish engulfing. This is a bearish engulfing. Why this is a bearish engulfing? So this is the engulfing pattern. For the engulfing pattern, we have bullish engulfing, bearish engulfing. Whenever you find these two patterns on your point of interest or point of entry, POI or POE, which is your entry point, whenever you find them there, it is a confirmation that yes, you can dive into this trade now. You get. Let's say something like this now. Let me use this particular trade I took here as an example. If you see this particular, let me take this out. If you look at this now, this is a bearish engulfing. You can see how the red candle engulfs the green candle, covers the green candle. You get? So when I see this at my entry point, it is a confirmation to tell you, okay, you can sell at this particular area. Don't just enter any bullish engulfing or bearish engulfing you see. Enter it at your point of interest. So if you are having a point of interest to sell or buy, you need either the bullish engulfing or the bearish engulfing to take your sell or your buy. That is what these confirmation patterns are used for. So let's head to the live chart. Let me show you how they are. Like this now, this is another bearish engulfing at my point of interest. But the market is closed. That is why this trade is not running. Now that I have actually have this bearish engulfing, I am fully confident to start selling from here to the downside. Let me clear this out so you can see it perfectly fine. You can see it. You can see how the red candle engulfs the green candle, covering the entire section of the green candle. That is a bearish engulfing, and that is a confirmation pattern for you to either take your sell or buy. So I will show you, I'm going to show you the confirmation pattern for the buy, which is the bullish engulfing. So let's say we are on our point of interest. Let me put it like that. As our point of interest, what we need is a bullish engulfing, so we can decide, okay, we are buying from this particular area. Okay, so let's assume this is our point of interest. This section is our point of interest. We are taking our buy. So we need bullish engulfing confirmation pattern to be fully confident in the buy. This is a bullish engulfing confirmation pattern. You can see how the entire body of the red candle is engulfed by the entire body of the green candle. This is a bullish engulfing confirmation pattern. If you find this at your point of interest, the moment that candle closes, you can decide to buy instantly. There, your stop loss, you place your stop loss if a little bit below your point of interest, then you target your 1:3 risks to reward ratio, just like that. So the bullish engulfing confirmation is for buying. The bearish engulfing confirmation, it is for selling. I will still show you one more confirmation. So after we are done with this, let me show you one more confirmation, then we'll dive into another confirmation pattern. And another bullish engulfing. So here is another bullish engulfing confirmation pattern. Let's say this is our point of interest. And if you look at this confirmation now, you can see the entire body of the red candle is engulfed by the entire body of the green candle. This is known as a bullish engulfing. So you can take your buy at the end of this candle. Stop loss a little bit below, then you target your 1:3 like that. That is how you use it. Whenever you find the bullish engulfing at your point of interest, it is a clear sign you can start buying from that area. And whenever you find the bearish engulfing at your point of interest, it is a clear sign you can start selling around that area. And this is another bullish engulfing pattern. You can see how the entire section of the green candle was engulfed by the entire section of the red candle was engulfed by the green candle. So this is known as the bullish engulfing. So whenever you find your resistance or your support, price at your resistance or your support area, what you have to do is simple. You just have to look for one of this confirmation. If price at your support, you'll be looking for the bullish confirmation, the bullish engulfing confirmation. If price is at your resistance, you'll be looking for the bearish engulfing confirmation so you can actually sell. So onto the next confirmation pattern. The next confirmation pattern is known as an evening star and a morning star confirmation pattern. That is what the next confirmation is known as. Evening star, morning star confirmation pattern. The first confirmation pattern is known as the engulfing pattern. Then the second confirmation is known as evening star, morning star confirmation patterns. Let me clear this out. This is how the evening star looks like. The morning star, sorry to say. You find something like this. You find something like this. But this should be green. This is how the morning star looks like. It looks like a U shape. So I will show you how it looks like on the live chart. This is the morning star confirmation. This is the morning star confirmation. So the next will be this is the evening star confirmation. These two confirmation pattern I'm showing you guys is actually the confirmation pattern I use a lot. These are known as candlestick confirmation patterns. So this is an evening star. So I will show you how the evening star looks on the live chart. So whenever price gets to your point of interest, you are either looking for the evening star or morning star. If you don't find the evening star or morning star, that is when you start looking for please off your mic. Please mute your mic. Mute your mic, please. Once price gets to your point of interest, that is when you start using the evening star or morning star. If you don't find any of these two candlestick pattern on your point of interest, that is when you start using the bullish engulfing or bearish engulfing, whichever one of these patterns you see at your point of interest. So let me show you how it looks on the live chart. On the live chart, this is how this is a morning star. As you can see it, this is how a morning star looks like on the live chart, similar to what I just drew. This is a morning star. It has that U curve shape. This is known as a morning star candlestick confirmation. Whenever you see this at your point of interest, it is a strong indicator that this place you can actually buy from this place. Now, once this candle, the bullish candle closes, once the large bullish candle closes, you can decide to take your buy from there. Stop loss below, target on 1:3 or 1:4, like that. Then wait for price to get to your full TP, just like that. Why? Let me look for another one again for you. Okay, I also mark this. This is another evening star. You can see it's just like the same pattern I drew. This is an evening. Sorry, this is a morning star. I keep mistaking it. This is how the morning star looks like. Sorry. My apologies. This is the morning star. The evening star is for the sell. The morning star is for the buy. Sorry. This is a morning star confirmation. So let me look for another morning star candle confirmation for you guys. So if you look at this place now is the evening star confirmation pattern. Because if you look at here, this is our entry. This is a resistance entry model. You can take a nice sell from this level. So formerly support, broken parts become resistance. When price gets to this level, you can see it now. That is our evening star. So where this bearish candle closes is our entry. Our stop loss above, then target 1:3 risk to reward ratio. As you guys are new, target 1:2. For newbies, please target 1:2 risk to reward ratio. The more you get good at it, the more you increase your risk to reward ratio. So that is how you use the evening star and the morning star confirmation. These two confirmation are the confirmation patterns I use the most. Why the last confirmation pattern I'm going to show you guys is what is known as the last confirmation pattern I use this a lot is what is known as it is called double top and double bottom. Double top and double bottom. So whenever you find these two on your point of interest, it is a clear opportunity to buy or sell. The double bottom indicates a buy, the double top indicates a sell. So let me show you how it looks like on a live point of interest. Though it actually doesn't appear all the time like that compared to the other two I just showed you guys. So let's use this. Let me look for the double top and bottom for you guys on the live chat so you understand how it looks like. Okay, now if you look at this now, on this our entry area here, we have what is known as, on this our entry area now, we have what is known as the double bottom. You can see this is known as the double bottom. Here they come. So this is a perfect place to take a buy. At the close of this candle, you place your buy there. This bullish candle. That is a perfect place to place your buy. Target a 1:3. But for new guys, target a 1:2. You see it's 2, then drag it down to 2.50. That should be what you are always targeting for the meantime. Don't reason the risk reward ratio to be so small. Target like that. Then the more you progress, you can start increasing it to 1:200 or 1:250. But for the meantime, reduce it a little bit. So that is how you use the double top and double bottom. So today I said the confirmation patterns you need to see at your point of interest, which is your resistance or support area, is either the bullish engulfing or the bearish engulfing or the evening star or morning star. Same with the double top and double bottom. Whenever you find these confirmation patterns on your point of interest, it is called confirmation patterns, meaning once you see them, you can take the buy or take the sell. So whenever price gets to your point of interest, don't just buy or sell. Wait to see at least one pattern to say, okay, there guys in tomorrow's class as well. Tomorrow we'll talk about confirmation patterns as well, and I'll show you guys how to use them on your tomorrow. Take good care of yourself.